Here's one question that when I gave to my students for grade 12, only 10% of the class got it right. Yes, it's a bit tough if you cannot think outside of the box, because this question involves a little bit of thinking. So we know to solve this, finding the inverse, we always go change the y to x and change the x's to y. So I'm gonna write the inverse as x instead of y equals y squared minus 4y plus 3. Now, if I see this, I have a y squared and a y here. How am I going to isolate y? Because, you need to isolate y and solve this for y, and that's what the inverse says. So we cannot do it. So let's see what we can do. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to move the 3 plus 3 to the other side, becomes minus 3 equals y squared minus 4y. I left a little bit of space here for a reason. Okay, so for me, I need to make this a perfect square trinomial so I could get one y out of it, and you'll see how that is. Okay, so to make this a perfect square trinomial, I gotta complete the square for this. And to complete the square, you always take the coefficient of the y here, which is the b value, which is the -4. Just take that on the side, divide it by 2, and square it. And that will give you 4. So what you need to do here to this equation, you need to add a 4 right here. But whatever you add to the left side, you have to add to the right side. And the reason why you want to keep the balance of the equation. After this, we're going to get x plus 1 here. But here, this will factor into y minus 2 squared. When you complete the square, you know it's a perfect square trinomial, so it factors into y minus 2 squared. Now it's easy from there on. To solve for y, now we have only one y. We're going to square root both sides. And we're going to get plus or minus square root of x plus 1 equals y minus 2. So I'm going to move the -2 to the other side, and it will become +2 plus or minus square root of x plus 1 equals y, and therefore the inverse f to the -1 of x is 2 plus or minus square root of x plus 1. I have over 800 YouTube videos regarding math on my YouTube channel. This is the link for my YouTube channel. It's Sami's A+. Go check it out. If you like it, please subscribe to it. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.